Melissa at Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is What Would You Make? The host is Connie's Creative Creations, and the other host is OK at Home DIY. And the guest host is David's Owens Creates. Today you will find my wonderful husband Thad doing what he does best, working on his wood projects, and today he's going to make raised beds for our garden.
Hey, I'm cutting these wood at 33 7/8. I'm cutting 6. I'm doing 3 at a time. They don't have to be perfect, but the laser, you can see it right there. Was doing 33, but I cut it a little short on this one, but this is for the box, so let me screw this down. I didn't do my mount here. I'm gonna clamp this and we'll get the saw up. Just want to crank that down a little bit and hold those. Move the tape measure, and we're just gonna go like this. Okay, so I have 6 of these. That one split, that's okay. Let me unscrew this. I'm not gonna, this is the mainly cutting. I already cut a section here, so we'll do some assembly work. I need 6 of these. It's treated lumber, so I'm just gonna cut one of these down. They're scraps. You don't need the spike here. This was for previous thing. What you can, I put a couple in just to hold it to the ground. Okay, I cut 4. I'm just gonna cut this one and show you. Let me grab my push stick. Okay, that's cut. I'm gonna unplug this. This is done. And drop my blade. I don't like leaving it up all the way. Okay, you assemble these panels. I'm gonna do this. Put 3 of them. This don't have to be precise, but over here, let me bring this here. I'm just making this even. These are fence panels, and they're $2 and something. I think at Menards. They're 6 foot long by 6. I can't remember if I think they're less than a ½ inch thick. But I'm gonna screw this together. I got some old screws I'm using. This don't have to be precise. It's just a box for a raised bed for your vegetables or whatever. I'm just gonna make this top and line up here and start putting screws in. We're gonna try and finish this box. I had 2 drill batteries die on me, and I probably should get some new ones, so I'm gonna show you here. I'm just lining these corners up, and we're lining this up with this one. It don't have to be perfectly square. It's just a outdoor raised bed box. And I don't know where the camera's pointing, so we're gonna line this bottom one up. I got a couple more to put in here. Yeah, I didn't grab enough screws. I'll show you how we fill it. I mix dirt and compost. I gotta get 6 more screws. This is pretty sturdy. Let me grab some screws, folks. I'm just using screws from a leftover, whatchamacall. I can't think of it. Oh, project. Anyways, you're gonna need, I think, about 9 of these fence boards. This, you can make this as big and small as you want, but actually these here, this is almost 33 inches. Technically it's 32 inches and 7/8. And I left the long boards unfinished. I'll show you after I get this unscrewed here. And this piece here was just a 2x4 I cut in half. I put a couple angles on them so when they go in the ground, they make them so they don't move even though you got a lot of weight. But we're gonna get this screwed together now. And the box is almost done. Okay, I got one too many screws, and I missed one. I'll go over this real quick. Yeah, one more screw. They're not lined up exactly precise. But it works, it works. Okay. The box is done. Let me move this spout. Okay. I'm just going to round this off. This is 6 foot long on one side, and across is 33 inches. And this is 18 inches tall. So it's going to look like this. This is your finished vegetable bed. And I got underneath there, I'll show you how I fill it later. Felt to keep weeds from growing up. And this is dirt. I think I paid $2.28 a bag. And then I got manure, but I can't remember how much that cost. I mixed in here. And as you can see, gonna flip it. What I did, I actually tilled up the ground underneath, but I'll go into that more details. You're gonna need about 9 of these fence boards, and these are just leftover project 2x4s. One's not treated, but it will work. And I got 6 of those. I just cut those 2x4s in half, and then I screwed all the corners together. This just gives it more added security. I'll hold it together so it don't budge. It's just gonna have tomatoes and pepper plants in. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll do a quick overview. I built this box yesterday. These are fence boards. They're 8 by 6 inches. I think they're maybe 3/8. I don't have a tape measure here to tell you. But you're gonna need, I'm gonna say 8 of these boards. And these were just 2x4s. And I cut them in half. They're all treated, but 2 of them. And I tied everything together with screws. And this is your raised vegetable bed. So, let's see. Those boards were 2 something each. So, I say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I'm going to say the boards are about $20 for this project. It's going to vary places. And these others were just leftover 2x4s, so you can buy those cheap actually, or buy markdowns. So this is what it looks like, and I'll go into how I fill it in another video. Thank you. Bye.